Hi, welcome to GE Appliances. Today we're in Louisville, Kentucky, one of 5 manufacturing sites in the U.S. where we make products for people and homes across America. During this global pandemic, people are worried and emotions are high. We want to reassure you, the people in our communities, our friends, our families, and our GEA family, that we have taken every step to ensure that our facilities are safe and we are protecting the health of our teams while they are at work. That's a commitment to our employees that we've made for more than 125 years, and that commitment has not changed.
We want to make sure that they are safe and feel safe in the spaces that they're operating. So every single person that comes to our factory is screened for their temperature so that we can confirm nobody coming into the factory has a high temperature and reports to work. At the beginning of their shift, they spray down the area that they're working in. At their first break, which is about a couple hours into the shift, they do the exact same thing. They spray it down. At their lunchtime, they spray it down. At the second break, they spray it down. And at the end of the shift, they spray it down. So that each workstation is being cleaned 5 times throughout the day. So as folks come into the plant, one of the very important things that we want people to recognize is there's a difference. One of the ways that we have very visual and also an opportunity to train that behavior is with marks on the walkways. Every 6 feet, we have a yellow stripe, which shows what is the proper distance between me and my partner that I'm walking with. Many of the jobs didn't have to change at all because we were able to achieve social distance without making any adjustments to the line at all. In doing that, whereas we're used to having a 48-inch pitch, and every 48 inches, you've got a person. We painted a purple dot and we gave them a purple stripe on the line so that they could see exactly where they're supposed to stand. As you can see, this purple dot is about 12 feet away from that purple dot right there. So the operators, whereas there used to be 2 or 3 in here, now there's 2 and they're 12 feet apart. On the other side of the line here is another operator that has to perform some work using a separate drill grunt. So what we've done is we've provided a barrier between these 2 operators where we could not achieve that 6-foot separation. See that? Hands-free hand sanitizer, so I don't have to touch the top of the pump, which everybody's thinking about every moment they're touching something. And then from the moment that they have clean hands, when's the last time I had clean hands and how do I keep from touching my face? So you can see here, this is one of our break areas. We used to have several tables in this spot where people could gather together, eat their lunch, and just really take a rest. This is where we put folding chairs now that are 6 feet apart all the way through the break area so that we can understand what does social distance look like when you're not on the job but experiencing a break. I am tremendously thankful to our production team members who come to work every day. And we're all in this together. We'll only get through this together.